gonna put my cars on the YouTube channel.
Yep. It's recording. What are you going to say about the cars?
Well, if I'm going to open this chocolate on you, he got eye, and he got no eye.
No. What sort of car is that one?
86.
86? Oh, yeah.
It's party tank on the bank.
Oh, yeah.
Go.
And can you show us the ute?
Oh, yeah.
What can you tell us about the ute?
It's a 400.
A 400? And what's it got on it here?
A flag.
Oh yeah. What's cool about the flag? What can you do with the flag?
You can move it.
Move it? Oh. And what else have you got there?
Mack truck.
Oh, Mack the truck.
And this is a lift.
Is it? What does the lift do?
These cars fit.
Can you show us how it works?
Like that.
Can you make it go up and down? Oh, that's a good one. What else can you do on Mack the truck?
You can play video games.
Oh yeah.
And you got the fishing arena and the free.
That's pretty good.
Go put my dad on the YouTube channel.
Yep. Is that enough video?
Nah.
No? What else do you want to talk about?
Mustangs?
You haven't got any Mustangs out here. Have you talked about all the cars in front of you? Is that enough then?
Nah.
It's 2 minutes.